Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a Booking.com account, step by step. You can follow the same process on both your mobile phone and your computer, because the layout is almost the same. Let's get started. First, open the Booking.com website. On the top left corner of the screen, you will see two options called Register and Sign In. Click on Register. After clicking on Register, this screen will open. Here, enter your email address in the email field. Then click on Continue with Email. Now, Booking.com will send a verification code to your email address. Open your email inbox and copy the verification code. Come back to the screen and enter the code here. Once you enter the correct verification code, your account will be created automatically. That's it. You don't need to click any confirmation link. Just entering the verification code is enough. Now you can start using your Booking.com account. One important tip before you finish: always use your real email address and keep access to it. If you ever need to cancel a booking, get a refund, or contact customer support, your email is the main way Booking.com identifies your account. And that's it. That's exactly how you can create your Booking.com account in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.